I am a queen for life because
I am qualified.
I am unique.
I am empowered.
I am extraordinary.
I have noble character.
I am successful.
Queens for Life Women's Business Explosion. This is not just another expo. This is an opportunity. This is a movement. This is an empowerment. This is an opportunity for women and young teenage girls to come together and unite as one, as entrepreneurs. We're going to be united on that occasion as entrepreneurs. This is your winning season. This is your winning time. This is your opportunity to do that what God has birthed forth for you to do. This is your winning season. Queens for Life Women's Business Expo. You don't want to miss it because it's going to be explosive.